How to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error on Roblox. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video I'll tell you exactly how to fix that error. Now, as you can see here, I have opened up Frontlines and I want to go ahead and play it, but I can't because it keeps on showing me the error message that says this experience is unavailable due to your account settings. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon on the left side. Now once you're in the settings, you want to go ahead and tap on privacy. In privacy, you want to make sure that the account restrictions are disabled option is actually disabled. But even if then it doesn't work, what you want to do is you want to go to your Google Chrome browser and you want to type in roblox.com and sign in. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the top right settings icon. Once you're into settings on your web browser, you want to go ahead and tap on parental controls. From parental controls, there are two options. One is parent pin and the second is allowed experiences. So right now for you and for me, it's all ages, suitable for everyone on allowed experiences. What you want to do is you want to change that to 13 plus or 17 plus if you're trying to play a game that is 17 plus. And now if we go back into Roblox, you can find that Frontline is playable and I can go ahead and enjoy that game. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.